Hi, my name is Cowell and I'm doing a very quick demonstration of how I paint roses in watercolour. I like to hold the flower in my hand so that I can turn it and have a look at it. But most importantly, I use straight lines to draw the flowers with. I find if I use a curved line, I don't know, it ends up looking like a cabbage. I'm just going to use lemon yellow, and I've wet a petal, and I'm using a sword brush, which is a beautiful brush because it holds a lot of paint and it doesn't run dry. So I've wet that petal and I'm drying it off and dropping, I think that is quinacridone gold into it, and allowing the paint to run into the lemon yellow. Then while that dries, I'm wetting another petal with lemon yellow, dropping quinacridone gold into it, turning the paper so that the darkness is running in the right direction. You'll see I've had a practice run with some pink roses on the right hand side, but focus on the yellow because it's all about this yellow. Dropping in just two colours, the gold and the yellow, and allowing it to dry before I'll come back in and do some detail. So with watercolour it's all about control, and this terrific brush carries a lot of paint, carries a lot of water, and just allows you to experiment. A little bit of thicker colour went into the centre. Here I'm wetting a petal, lemon yellow going in. Once again the gold will come in, and it runs. And I just love the way you've got no control. You allow the paint to do the work for you. I'm just looking at my painting and thinking, what on earth are you doing? But I'm going to have a go at the petals. Just look at how this brush can, without any drawing, by pressing on it, it just describes those leaves. So terrific brush to work with. I'm working around the outer edges of the flower and just pushing hard, holding the brush upright. So it's rather like an oriental calligraphy brush stroke. Needs a bit of practice before you do it, but well worth doing. And great fun to use. Super brush. Love working with it, especially with watercolour. My favourite brush for watercolour. Thank you.